Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress. Now there are two ways on how you can do this, and the first one is basically manually adding the tracking code to your theme file. Or to go ahead and basically make it simple, you can just navigate through the plugin directory or the plugin choices or the plugin page for WordPress right here. And simply inside, you then want to search for Google Analytics. Connect Google Analytics to your WordPress. From here, you can just go ahead and read the description on how you can enable the Google WordPress. And from there, you then have managed to go ahead and simply use Google Analytics through your WordPress. And so guys, that's everything you need to do to go ahead and make this simple. You just want to navigate through the plugin page for WordPress. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.